Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, I would like to go with you through all this week's price action on AMC. I know that not all of you guys are on Discord where I post daily updates about what is happening on AMC and GameStop. So I would like here to sum up a bit the situation and let you know what I think will happen next. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so first, as usual, we take a step back, we go on a daily time frame. So let me here quickly remind you what is happening for the past, 3-6 months. So basically we had this huge move up to 73 that was following Fibs and ELLIOTT wave theory very well. This is the reason why I will keep applying these tools on this stock. Then we had here this very long correction period that was not easy to trade. We had one fake out and then here we had the breakout, guys. All right, so this was in August. So of course I told you that this is a very good and bullish signal and that probably it's going to be retested and then we would move higher, which is what happened. So from here, let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go on a 4 hours time frame. What can we say, guys? What we can see, we are looking for 5 waves development. So the truth is that, it could have happened right away. All right. It was one of the scenarios that we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right away to 130. But definitely the way things look right now, it shows us that it's going to take more time. And we can see that here, it looks to me like the first wave of this 5 waves development that to me is going to 130 or 100 minimum. It might even be higher actually if we take much time to go there. So it is good as well, that this 5th wave is longer in time than expected. So discounting was not easy. I was first checking maybe here we have 5 waves. So I was first checking here if you have 5 waves. And then we had this one more wave up. And I was starting to tell you guys that we have this bearish divergence on my Discord, okay? So I told you this. I started to tell you guys this quite early here. And then we have this one more move up and then we move down. So to me, this is what makes me think that this is first wave and that we are now in a second wave correction. And we had all these patterns, all right? Candle formation patterns that are quite easy to identify. So we had first the evening star, guys. Whenever you have an evening star, it's going to impact the price action for at least 1 week. And the good news is that just after the evening star, what did we have, guys? We had hammer. So it's candle formation that is coming to cancel the impact of the evening star. All right. Here, a lot of bears have been trapped. So evening star, hammer, and shooting star. All right, guys. So what this is telling us, it tells us that the market doesn't know that we are in the period of consolidation after this first wave. So this is confirming my scenario that we are actually in a wave 2. So if it's second wave that is corrective, we have a lot of information about that. We know that it's probably going to be an ABC, flat or zigzag. I was waiting to see how high the B wave might go. It didn't go very high. It went to 48, 49. So this is rather telling me that we have a zigzag coming, guys. I'm here to tell you the truth. So it's, of course, it might very well find support at 44, but it might as well break it. And if it does, it's totally fine because we know how zigzags develop. It's probably going to be a 1-to-1 relation between A and B. So if it's a 1-to-1, it goes to 40. And if it's a 1 to 0.618, which is possible as well, it's only going to go to the 43 level. So something between 40 and 43. So this is only an area, right? Fibs is giving you areas. Once again, I get this information, guys, from here. For those who have not seen this yet, you go to the 78th page. And here we can see a zigzag. Typically, ABC has a 1-to-1 relationship between wave A and wave C. But somewhere else in the book, you can have a look at that, guys. It's a 1 to 0.618 relation as well, considered as valid. So here it gives us some target for the bottom of wave 2. So for those who want to buy the dip, I think this is a nice opportunity. So we're going to have here all this area that is going to be a buying area. I'm saying that if we go there, it's a nice level to buy. Let's see what is happening here. For me, for this correction to be over, first we need a bit more time. You can see that wave 1 lasted 1 month. So just give it some time. Let's see at the end of the week where we are. But basically, if we have a weekly close above 48, this would start to be good news for the coming third wave. Now, let's have quickly a look at the synthetic short interest. As usual, we had the option expiry. So let's see how this happened. So we were roughly at 20. So I'm not that surprised. We lost a bit of options because September was a big expiry and everything has not been rolled yet. So we can have a look at October. How is it looking now? So I added here the 1st of October, 24th of September. Ooh, 24th of September, we have a lot, guys. Where is it coming from? No, but you can see, guys, the big ones, they are Jan 22. So once again, this is only an indication about for how long the upside gamma is with us. Oh, here we have one. Okay, so basically we have October 70 strike. October is quite big. And then Jan 22, guys, options everywhere, even here on the 20 strike. Okay, so those have probably been some option buyers that were in early. So here, basically, the information we have is that for now, we don't see all the option open interest rolled on the next maturity. October is not so big yet, so I'm going to keep an eye on this. We can see that the Jan 22 maturity is full, guys. Let's see the Jan 23. Okay, it's not that big. You can see here we have 75,000 option total. Here we have 270,000 options. So this phenomenon is going to last at least until Jan 22 and probably even longer. So this is a long-term battle, guys, that is looking quite well to me. We just having a small pullback, but I think we are still pushing higher and that AMC is going to be trading much higher in a few weeks, month. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. See you guys.